What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test grape gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here Grape Slicer. This is perfect for little kids and children, so that way they don't have to eat the whole grape. You put it in and then slice it. Boom. And then you have a smaller pieces, much easier to eat it. So looks like cuts it 4 ways. Just put it in and slice it. It's actually pretty easy, especially if you don't like to eat your grapes full and you eat like a child, you can also use it, but again, this is mostly for the children. Chop it up and look how fast it works. It's awesome. Boom. So that way they don't have to bite into it so hard, and also it's much smaller pieces to chew on. So as you can see, this gadget is pretty awesome and works really well. Boom. Okay, let's see what else I have. This gadget is a grape peeler. How cool is that? In case you do not like grapes with the peel, you can peel them. Kind of ridiculous, but nevertheless it exists. There you go, you push it to something like that and spin it, I guess. Missed it a little bit. Boom. And that way you peel your grape. Let's see if I can do a little bit better. This is on a bigger side. No, actually this is on a smaller side. There you go. That's why it didn't work the first time. You push it to and then spin it, and it should just pop out. Boom. That way you can peel your grapes with this grape peeler. This is actually cool. Some people don't like the grape peel. Boom, you can peel your grapes before you eat them. They do actually taste a bit better without the peel. I tried this before. It tastes like a jello because this peel is a bit rough. So that's a cool gadget, that's for sure. I like that a lot. Push it to and slice it too. This has got to be the easiest and best way to do it. If you have a bigger grape, just use the bigger side. Let's see if it will work. Somewhat. Boom, not too bad. I like the smaller one way better. My grapes are not that big. Boom, remove it. Wow, the more I do it, the easier it's getting. One more time and we'll be done. Boom, remove the grape. And you got here peeled grapes. How cool is that? For this gadget, another grape slicer. This design, I was at the baby store yesterday and actually saw them selling that for the kids as well too. So let's see how this works. You put the grape in, slice it. So as you can see, very comfortable and easy. It does same thing as the first gadget, but seems like a bit easier to use. You load it, squish it. Slice it, I should say. And look how fast that is. Almost way better than this one, to where you have to load it, squish it. Load it, squish it. As you can see, this one seems to be way better. And also it has metal blade versus plastic blade. So you be the judge, which gadget do you like better? For this gadget I got here grape, bagel, chicken, slicer, also tomato, but right here they have grapes. So let's see how well will it do to just cut it in half. Oh, it's tough. Oh wow, there's a little dents in there, so that way the grapes can stay in there pretty good. Let's put a bunch of grapes in there, all the way, fill it up just like in the picture. Different size grapes. Hopefully it'll work pretty good anyway. That's quite a bit. Now what we'll do is just close it and hold it, and then just cut it like that. Hopefully you guys can see. Boom. Let's see if it's cut all the way. Dump it in a bowl and check this out. They actually cut pretty well, all of them in halves. some kind of bigger halves than the other ones because grapes were different sizes. Definitely the fastest way is to slice up in half bunch of grapes. Next grape slicer, I got here zip slicer. Let's see what this one does. Boom. It's actually really cool. So there is opening on this side, no opening on the other side. We'll load them up like this. Pretty big grapes. That's good. Now, instead of using a knife, there is already a knife in here. So what we'll do is put it through and zip slice it. And now, let me put it into this bowl, plate. And all my grapes sliced in half, except this one and this one. But for the most part, it did good. So let's try this one more time. I think this gadget works best with the bigger grapes. Boom, really nice and sharp knife. Dump it all out. Once again, you have sliced up grapes. You know what, that's pretty cool gadget as well. I like it. And for the last grape slicer, tomato slicer, you put it through like that and you got a little cube that looks like that. How do you use it? I ran out of big grapes, but you just load up a bunch of grapes like that. Hopefully you have really big grapes, so it will work best. And then you just use a big knife to cut it through like this. And it'll be right in half. Very nice. Then get a bowl, dump it all out. One more time. Load it up, one by one. The longer knife you have, the better. But because there is a corner, it's actually pretty easy to cut them right in half. And all the way too. Boom, dump it in. Super fast, and they all pretty much in perfect halves. Okay, and let's try this one more time. See what it looks like. This time I'm gonna get a bigger knife. Okay. Wow, beautiful. With the bigger knife, it's almost easier to chop it up much longer pieces. You know what the best part about this gadget? You can slice up cherry tomatoes and even lemons. So this is dual purpose. So let's say you wanna slice up lemon, slice it in half. Then second half you put it like this, cut it in half again. Then you put it like that, cut it in half again. Boom, take this out. So you can really make a mini slices without problem. So this is why this gadget is ultimate best, because it'll make perfect slices like that for lemon as well, not just grapes and cherry tomatoes. I just realized even faster way to do it. Cut it in half, cut it in one more half. That's how you would want to do it. Then you load them up like that. I have a tall knife, no problem. Put it like that and slice them. There you go. I wish I had a bit sharper knife. Boom. One more time. And look how much faster that way is. So you cut it like that again. Boom. And you slice up your lemon really fast this way. So what do you guys think? In 8 pieces instead of 4 pieces. If this was half, you would have to cut it somehow sideways like that. So I like this gadget. Multiple uses in this one. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. What's up guys? For today's video I got cold weather MRE. Looks like you guys been enjoying MRE's performing videos so good. So you know what? I'm going to stick with MREs for a while. Hopefully you guys going to thumbs up this video. If the videos continue to do good, I will do more MREs. I have never done cold weather Russian MRE, so let's see what this thing is all about. Pretty big MRE as you can see. Let's cut the top right here, and guess what? It's going to be like a box. Most of MREs looks like that. Okay, boom.